Hello everyone, this is Divya Shetty. Today we are going to learn how to write an informal letter. So let's get started. An informal letters are written to friends, relatives, members of the family and those who are close to you. An informal letter consists of the following parts. First, writer's or sender's address. It is placed at the top left corner of the page. Second, date. It is placed below the writer's or sender's address. It should be in an expanded form. Third, salutation. It starts from the left margin of the page, leaving a line below the date. Fourth, body of the letter. The content matter of the letter may be divided into paragraphs according to the shift in the ideas expressed. Fifth, the complimentary clause or the subscription. Here, you will sign off at the bottom left corner of the page along with your name. The writer must sign his name below the complimentary clause. So, this was the format for an informal letter. Children, remember that in an informal letter, no need to write receiver's address and subject. Now, let us begin with our letter. Here is our topic. Write a letter of thanks from Samir to his uncle for taking good care of him while his parents were abroad. So children, are you ready? Alright. First, as I told you, you're going to write address. Writer's address or sender's address means your address as you're writing the letter, correct? So mention your address. 401 Sea View, opposite ICICI Bank, Beach Road, Malad West, Mumbai. Then you have to mention date. And as I told you, it should be in an expanded form. Suppose today's date is 1st October 2020. So you are going to write it in an expanded form. This way. If you write this way, it is wrong. Now leave one line. Write salutation. As I told you, it starts from the left margin of the page, leaving a line below the date. So write dear uncle and the name of your uncle. For example, dear Uncle Prashant, comma. Below that, we will start with our body of the letter. First paragraph, as you know, when you begin with your first paragraph, leave one small finger space and then start writing. I hope this letter finds you and auntie in good spirits. All of us, including grandfather, are fine and are enjoying the good winter with the expectation of a bright summer. Now, let's begin with our second paragraph. Once again, leave one small finger space and then start writing. I have basically written this letter to express my deep gratitude to you for the special care that you took of me while my parents were abroad on an urgent assignment. I remember how every day you would sit with me to attend to my studies in the early morning, and then take me along with auntie for some recreation. Recreation means for some enjoyment, the activity we do for an enjoyment, for fun. Sometimes to the mall, down the road, and sometimes to the beach. The most memorable day was last Saturday when we went shopping and then for a movie. Now, let's begin with our third paragraph. Once again, leave one small finger space. Thank you, Uncle, for all those wonderful times I shared with you and also for the 2 gifts that you gave me. May God bless and keep you in His ever loving care. Regards from Mummy, Daddy, and Anjali. Now, once again, leave one line. Here we have finished with our body of the letter. Here we need to sign off. So, where you're going to sign off? You're going to sign off at the bottom left corner of the page along with your name. So, write your loving nephew Samir. So, children, this was an informal letter. I hope now you will be able to write your own letter as it was very easy. Just remember the format.